back to my channel. Here is your Rohit Sevani. I hope you all are doing great. All are doing well. Please take care of you, yourself, and your family in this pandemic time. And I am also from my side. I am also thinking that to entertain or make you learn something new in your lockdown. So in this video, we are going to discuss and see a motivational story. So let us begin with our story. Just comment on, did you love this? Did you like this page? Yeah, I'll quit. I am thankful for all of those who said no to me because it's because of them I am doing it myself. By Albert Einstein. As you know, who was Albert Einstein? Yeah. So in this only, a truly beautiful mind. What is this? What is it? This is taken from class ninth book. I thought it as for a motivational story because as you have seen from the thumbnail or the title, a truly beautiful mind. Yeah, it is taken from class 9. The story recounts the life of an outstanding scientific personality, Albert Einstein, from his birth till his death. So from his starting, we would be taking his death, but yeah, in between, I have just skipped one part only. Let us but do. Albert Einstein was born on 14th March in 1879. You can just note down the dates. In German city of Ulm. For about 2.5 years, he couldn't speak, and when he did learn to speak, he uttered every word twice. Means for 2.5 years he wasn't able to speak, but when he learned, he like we are saying God, he was speaking one word, God, God, bod, or abroad, abroad, like this. His playmates called him boring, or boring brother, and his mother regarded him a freak because of the abnormally large size of his head. At at school, his headmaster regarded him as stupid and good for nothing, but he proved them all. So let us see how he has proved them all wrong. But see, now the co-ed is interrelated. I am thankful those who said no. So till here we have done our no session. Means अभी अपन ने देखा कि उनको सब लोगों ने रिजेक्ट किया है उनकी, even his mom also. But let us begin. At अभी तक उसको बना ही किया है. No. At the age of 6, on behest of his mother, he learned to play violin. Violin or any musical instrument is very important in one's life, so that he might learn anything in he might do in his leisure time. He become a gifted violinist. Here, a gifted violinist means a person जिसको बहुत अच्छे से आता हो, बहुत easily learn कर लियो. At the age of 15, his family shifted to Munich or Munich. He didn't feel at ease with the strict regimentation of the school. He was not comfort and left it for good. But yeah, no one should leave like this. Later on, for higher education, he joined the University of Zurich because the atmosphere there was more liberal and amenable. Please comment down if you don't know any words meaning. I would be just replying you in the comment section what these word meaning do. To new ideas and concept, he showed more interest in physics and mathematics. You can see here the image of what's the image? It is the image of Albert Einstein playing violin. After completing his education, Albert Einstein, or you can use this Albert, also worked as a technical expert in patent office at Bern. At Bern, you can just point out this places where he worked. Here he worked secreted on his idea of relativity, and there he was also having a secret drawer. आपको वो नहीं लिखा है मैंने, ये बहुत शॉर्ट्स में लाया हूँ मैं, ये तो है थोड़ा आपको. Okay, in a small way. In it, you can just take it as a summary. In 1915, he published his paper on special theory of relativity. क्योंकि यहाँ उसका आइडिया था. He worked secretly on his idea of relativity, and he published special theory in 1915 of relativity, followed by the world famous equation E equals to mc square. Now, in 1915 May, same year is going on, he published this paper on general theory of relativity, which gave an absolute new definition to concept of gravity. You have just gone with this your lower classes or in your classes only. This theory made him a famous figure. In 1990, see now 15 के बाद 4 years के बाद, in 1919 during the solar eclipse, his theory came out to be accurate and revolutionized physics. In 1933, he emi- emigrated, emigrated means emerged we can say या something like that. जो birds भी होते हैं ना ठंड में यहाँ आ जाती हैं, something like that you can just understand in your way, means वो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह मूव हो गए थर्ड टाइम. वो पहले उसमें हुआ, अब इन्होंने नेशन बदला. He emerged to USA as Nazis had come to power in Germany. You know who was Nazism, and if you are a ninth class student, you have gone with this chapter in your ninth class, chapter 3, Nazism and the Rise of Hitler. That is full history session. He didn't want his finding and research to be used for destruction in 1938 when Germany discovered the principle of nuclear fission, atomic bombs we can say. He was the first person to write about the American president about the dangers of the atomic bombs. What was the danger? What were the effects? उसके बारे में ही बताया. In 1945, when America dropped the atomic bombs on Nagasaki and Hiroshima, he was deeply hurt and wrote to the United Nations for the formation of world government to prevent recurrence ऑफ सच डिस्ट्रक्शन. उन्होंने क्या किया, उनको बड़ा बुरा लगा कि कहाँ है. हाँ, जब अमेरिका ने ड्रॉप किया बॉम्ब्स नागासाकी और हिरोशिमा में, जस्ट नोट डाउन और यू कैन जस्ट पॉइंट आउट विद दिस ओनली कि यहाँ उन्होंने बम गिराया अमेरिका ने. उसको बहुत बुरा लगा था, डीपली हर्ट हुआ था, बिकॉज उन्होंने बता चुका था अमेरिका कि उसके ये साइड इफेक्ट है. बट उन्होंने क्या किया, अब सोचो इसको क्या करूँगा बोल के, तो उन्होंने यूनाइटेड नेशन की फॉर्मेशन के लिए गवर्नमेंट को बोल दिया कि ऐसा वापस अकर ना हो, रिकरेंसी ऑफ सच डिस्ट्रक्शन ऐसी वापस ना हो. तो उसने उसको लेटर लिखा कि ऐसा ऐसा समथिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू हिम. ही स्पेंड हिज लेटर डेज इन पॉलिटिक्स एडवोकेटिंग वर्ल्ड पीस एंड डेमोक्रेसी. उन्होंने बाकी की डेज अपने पॉलिटिकल एडवोकेटिंग वर्ल्ड पीस डेमोक्रेसी इन सब में ही गुजार दिए. ठीक है. So he died at the age of 76 in year. I hope you liked the story. It was a really a motivational story. अब एक बार फिर you can just go with a quote because देखो उनको पहले लोगों ने ना कहा. वेट, उनको फर्स्टली पीपल सेड नो टू हिम, बट लास्टली व्हाट हैपन, लास्टली उन्होंने इतना सब अचीव किया अपनी लाइफ में. ही अचीव सक्सेस, ग्लोरी एंड ऑल इन हिज ओन लाइफ. उन्होंने देखो सबने उनको माना कि पर वो एक परफेक्ट वायलिनिस्ट बन गए. फिर उन्होंने एक अपनी थ्योरी निकाली, वर्ल्ड को इतना दिया. उन्होंने एटॉमिक बॉम्ब्स की थ्योरिकल निकाली. उन्होंने वर्ल्ड पीस और डेमोक्रेसी में अपने इन्वॉल्व किया, अपना हेल्प दी. तो and finally he died at age of 76 in year 1955. I hope ये स्टोरी ने आपको मोटिवेट किया हो कि that you can also do something in your life. Every time rejecting is not like that कि हर बार आप रिजेक्ट हो रहे इसका मतलब आप बुरे हो. You are good, you are the best according to you, and everyone is not having the same fingerprints like you are having. So these are some questions you can just prepare if you want to. ये 9th class के हिसाब से ना, because I have taken, so I thought to give profit to them. तो ये questions हैं, anyone can do, or if you want you can just solve this. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video and I hope this video may help you so far. आप मोटिवेटेड रहें इस लॉकडाउन में और अपनी फैमिली का और अपना बहुत ख्याल रखें. और मोर सच वीडियोस स्टे ट्यून्ड ऑन सैटरडे एंड संडेज. सैटरडे और संडे दोनों डेज में, किसी भी डेज में मैं अपलोड कर दूँगा वीडियोज़. एंड फॉर प्लीज़ इफ़ यू आर न्यू टू दिस चैनल, प्लीज़ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब, comment and share, or mainly if you are a subscriber and you haven't pressed that bell icon, please press this bell icon so that you might become the first person to get notified about my video. Thank you, happy learning, take care, bye bye.